Hi, my name is Alex with Certified Transmissions. Today I'd like to tell you a few tips and tricks for installing the 6L80. First and very important is to make sure the cooling system is solid on this unit. To do that, you need to make sure you hot flush that system out. That's the only way to properly clean it. Besides that, if you can't do that, honestly the system should be replaced. Next, the cooler lines on this unit are quite susceptible to leakage and failure. So make sure you're taking a really good hard look at those cooling lines and seeing what they look like. If they're damp or leaking at all, get them replaced. It's a cheap fix. It's better safe than sorry. They're never going to get better. It's only going to get worse over time. Next, you need to make sure you can get this thing reprogrammed. If your shop doesn't have the equipment, make sure you get it towed to a dealer or get a mobile programming unit in to take care of that. You need to program the TCM and ECM. And then afterwards you need to do a drive relearn. If you get that drive relearn taken care of, let those shifts adapt as they will over time, then you'll have a successful customer delivery and the transmission will live for a long life cycle. So thank you for watching today.